Blinker fluid and other fake products. Blinker fluid scams exploit misunderstanding of vehicle systems because turn signals operate through circuits, relays, light-emitting diode modules, and wiring harnesses, not consumable liquids. Passenger cars specify turn signal voltage at 12 volts direct current with bulb wattage typically 21 watts, eliminating any fluid requirement. Dishonest shops instead upsell unnecessary products like premium washer fluid, despite owner's manual specifying standard water-based washer solution. Typical washer reservoirs hold 3 to 5 liters and require refilling only when low warning indicators activate. Pricing data shows basic washer fluid costs $2 to $4 per gallon. Verifying components via service manuals and parts catalogs exposes fictional claims quickly. Phantom repairs. Phantom repairs refer to fraudulent automotive service charges where repair shops bill customers for labor, parts, or inspections never performed on the vehicle. Common examples include charging for brake pad replacement when pad thickness remains above 4 millimeters, billing engine oil changes despite unchanged oil color and viscosity, or listing air filter replacements when filter restriction levels remain within manufacturer specifications. These scams often exploit technical opacity in modern vehicles, such as electronic diagnostic scans falsely recorded without connecting an onboard diagnostic scanner. Itemized invoices may list standardized labor hours from flat-rate manuals despite no component removal. Verification requires pre-service photos, retained replaced parts, and maintenance records. Hey, before we move forward, if you found this video on every mechanic scam everyone is falling for helpful, well, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical automotive tips. So, which scam surprised you the most? Make sure you comment down below. Used or counterfeit parts sold as new. Used or counterfeit automotive parts misrepresented as new are a documented consumer safety and fraud concern in vehicle repair, harming critical components such as brake pads, airbags, steering linkages, and engine parts when substandard materials fail prematurely. Genuine parts normally include unique part numbers, tamper-evident holograms, barcodes, or quick response codes verifiable through manufacturer databases, precise weight and material specifications, and clear, high-quality branding on packaging. Counterfeit parts often lack valid serial numbers, show poor print quality, incorrect logos, fuzzy fonts, lighter weight materials, and missing compliance labels. To avoid this scam, request to inspect new parts in unopened manufacturer packaging, cross-check part identifiers against official catalogs, and buy from authorized dealers or certified suppliers. Fake factory-only parts. Fake factory parts claims exploit confusion between original equipment manufacturer and aftermarket components. Original equipment manufacturer oxygen sensors for the 2015 Honda Accord use zirconia sensing elements, 4-wire heated circuits, and vehicle-specific connectors, yet aftermarket sensors match these specifications, response times, and emission standards. Price differences are large, with factory-braided sensors averaging $250 versus aftermarket equivalents near $75, despite identical voltage output ranges. For post-warranty vehicles, aftermarket parts meeting Society of Automotive Engineers and Environmental Protection Agency requirements deliver comparable durability. The Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act prohibits denying warranty coverage solely for aftermarket use. Ask shops to justify pricing with data. The brake pad scare. Brake pad scare tactics exploit safety anxiety surrounding disc brake systems used on modern passenger vehicles. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration states that brake pads are serviceable until approximately 3 millimeters of friction material remains. Many service centers recommend replacement at 5 millimeters to increase labor revenue despite adequate stopping performance. Typical brake assemblies include steel backing plates, ceramic or semi-metallic pads, single-piston calipers, ventilated rotors, and anti-lock braking system integration. Built-in wear indicators produce audible squeals near minimum thickness, while visual inspection through calipers confirms measurements. Premature replacement costs $300 to $400 per axle without improving braking distance performance metrics. Shock and strut upsell. The shock strut upsell is a common mechanic scam centered on suspension misrepresentation. Modern gas-charged McPherson struts integrate coil springs, hydraulic dampers, and upper mounts designed to last beyond 80,000 miles under normal driving. Now, many shops recommend replacement near 60,000 miles despite acceptable damping force, intact seals, and no abnormal tire wear. A full replacement can cost nearly $1,000 including labor. Proper evaluation includes bounce testing, visual inspection for oil leakage, checking uneven tire tread, and assessing steering stability during braking. Replacement is only justified with fluid loss, excessive rebound, clunking mounts, or failed ride height control. AC recharge. Every automotive air conditioning system uses a sealed vapor compression design with a compressor, condenser, expansion valve, evaporator, and refrigerant that cycles continuously. Refrigerant should not dissipate in a correctly functioning system because it changes pressure and state within the closed loop. Modern systems use R134A or R1234YF refrigerants and rely on precision-fitted hoses and O-ring seals to contain pressure. A genuine AC recharge only redistributes refrigerant and dye. It does not repair leaks and masks loss due to seal, hose, or component failure. Proper diagnostics use UV reactive dye with ultraviolet light or electronic detectors to locate leaks before repairs are made. Unnecessary fluid flushes. Unnecessary fluid flushes are a common automotive upsell where shops claim engine coolant, automatic transmission fluid, or hydraulic brake fluid is contaminated and requires immediate service. Most modern vehicles use long-life coolant rated for approximately 160,000 kilometers, sealed automatic transmissions with service intervals exceeding 100,000 kilometers, and brake systems designed for moisture tolerance within Department of Transportation 4 specifications. Manufacturers specify condition-based or mileage-based intervals in owner manuals, not visual inspection alone. Flush machines can introduce debris, dislodge, varnish, or stress aging seals, causing leaks or shifting issues. Legitimate service depends on mileage, manufacturer schedule, and laboratory fluid testing and documentation records. Lifetime fluids. Lifetime automotive fluid labels, especially for transmission fluid, differentials, transfer case fluid, coolant, or brake fluid, are widely misunderstood marketing terms rather than guarantees of never-needed maintenance. Manufacturers often define lifetime as the expected service life of the component or the warranty period, not the actual life of the car or the fluid's chemical stability. Real-world heat, friction, and contaminants degrade all fluids over time, reducing lubrication and corrosion protection. For many automatic transmissions marketed with lifetime fluid, independent sources recommend changes around 60,000 to 100,000 miles under typical use to extend component life. Always consult the specific year, make, model, and drivetrain service schedule for accurate intervals rather than relying on lifetime branding. Lifetime warranty. Every mechanic's lifetime warranty claim must be understood in the context of what exactly is covered, for how long, and what is excluded, according to the fine print of the terms and conditions. Most lifetime warranties advertised on parts and auto repair shops only guarantee replacement of the reported defective part and do not include labor costs for removal and installation, which the customer typically must pay separately. Some lifetime warranties expire when the part is discontinued or only apply to the original purchaser and require proof of purchase. Mechanics may source cheap components under this label, profiting from repeat labor charges on recurring failures. Always read full warranty documents to confirm exclusions, limitations, and whether labor reimbursement is included. Free inspection trap. Complimentary mechanic free inspections are often used by some shops as a lead generation tactic that results in long lists of recommended repairs that may be unnecessary or exaggerated, effectively turning free into revenue via upselling. Industry guides show that a significant percentage of free inspections lead to suggestions for immediate work that is not required for safety or reliability, and that this can pressure drivers into authorizing costly repairs on the spot. Always request written inspection results with specific part conditions and repair cost breakdowns, and seek an independent second opinion for any recommendation exceeding $200 before you approve labor or parts. Winterizing your car. Winterizing packages push unnecessary services like premium fluid flushes and seasonal additive treatments that modern vehicles with multi-viscosity oils and engineered cooling systems do not require according to automotive winter maintenance guidelines. These are common upsells rather than manufacturer-recommended service items. Modern cars need correct tire pressure checks, adequate tire tread depth, and winter-grade windshield washer fluid to maintain traction and visibility in cold conditions. Ensuring a 50-50 antifreeze to water coolant mix prevents freezing and engine block damage. Battery testing is essential because cold temperatures reduce capacity. Replace worn wiper blades and check heater and defrosting systems for effective snow removal rather than paying for broad, winterized packages. So now you know the most common mechanic scams that everyone's falling for and how you can protect yourself. So which scam shocked you the most? And have you ever experienced any of these? Make sure you comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.